Hey everyone, quick video today, especially for those of you who own a Lagoon Catamaran. I only have one photo to show, but I think it's all that you'll need. I was helping out a friend inspect his 2017 Lagoon 450. He's the original owner, and we were looking at some rust on the rudder tiller arm when I noticed something odd. The throttle and forward reverse cables, they were routed directly over the rudder connecting tube. Now that tube moves from side to side in with every steering input. So if your cables are resting on top of it, you've got a potential chafing hazard over time. That could mean frayed or failed control cables. That's not something you want when you're maneuvering. And here's what's important: this wasn't a DIY issue. My friend confirmed that these cables were exactly as they left the factory, no modifications. So we just clipped the original cable ties and added new ones to lift the cable up and away from the moving rudder assembly. Simple fix, but big potential payoff. If you own a Lagoon 450, definitely check this. But if you own any other Lagoon model, it's worth a look. The design language across these boats is often very similar. Let me know if you find the same thing. I'd love to hear how widespread this is. That's it for today. Stay safe out there and see you in the next one.